How to open a balance on Wise. If you want to open a balance on the Wise app, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Wise application, and this is the type of interface that you will see. Now from here, what you have to do is right when you're on the home page, you'll find open a balance section. So tap on the plus icon right there. Here it says get started with balances. So of course you can just tap on a let's go option or whatever else it is that you prefer right here. So here it will ask you to tell us about yourself, where you can enter your country, your legal name, last name, first name, the legal date of birth, address, city, phone number, and tap on save. On the next page, you have to choose your balances in the form of currency. So if you use mostly AUD or euros or GBP, Great Britain pounds, or whatever else it is, you can simply select that and tap on the continue button right there, and you have successfully opened up your balance. This way you'll be able to open up your balance on Wise. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.